Yo, what is up, everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everybody's watching the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Solana and FTX. So for those people who do not know FTX is a crypto trading platform. And you guys can also buy NFTs over here. So for those people who do not, NFT is non-fungible token. This video is a nod in that this video is on how you guys can buy Solana and FTX, so let's get on to that. Alright. So with those people who do not know Solana is also known as Sol, and it is a cryptocurrency, and it is under the top 10 cryptocurrency in the world right now. Its current rate is around $198, but its rate might go up or might go down depending on the time, but you guys are trying to buy it right. So my current price is $198. So let's get into the video on how we guys can buy that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, get notification on so you guys get notified for a future video. Let's move on, shall we? Now the first step is you want to go to FTX. Come and log into your account after I do that to go on red spot. Once you go on spot, it's going to take your spot rate. Once you're over here, you want to go on recess Sol/USD, which means you're going to buy Solana using US dollars. Alright. Once you're over here, you want to scroll a bit down and you want to enter the unit amount of Solana you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy to Solana. The price of 1 Sona is 197, which means my total is around 395.48. And we scroll a bit down, there's going to be buy button over here, and I remember it says complete identification verification for me because I still have not verified my two-step verification, but if I did have verified that, it was going to say buy Solana over here. So if you guys have completed the two-step verification, it's going to show you buy Sol or buy. You just want to click on it and basically your Solana will be bought. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how we guys can buy Solana. So basically Sol/USD means I'm going to be buying Solana, using USD. If your screen it shows Sol/BTC, which means you're going to be buying Solana using BTC, so you might want to change it on the currency which you want to use to buy Solana. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how we guys can buy it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.